Hello and welcome to my trading video today. This looks like a sideward trend almost, so it's not the best market to trade. Looks fine so far. And if you take a look at the last few hours, we have a strong upward move. Let's see if this may only the reversal last trend, but not. Okay. So in this case, I would draw the Fibonacci retracement this way, from this body, candle body, to this. I'm using the Heiken Ashi candles right now. So the normal candlestick chart looks a little bit different, as you see. The Heiken Ashi can be seen as some kind of simplified candlesticks. I draw the Fibonacci retracement from the start of the trend move till the end to determine the reversal level or potential reversal level for the trend reversal from this move. So the price may bounce here, or at this point, or at this point. Maybe on the 61% level is also often used or seen reversal level. In strong trends, it's often the 23 or 38 mark. So you see the stochastic is almost at 20. The RSI is almost at 20. This is the perfect situation for upward trade. The Heiken Ashi, the big candle body without stick to the top, shows downward power inside the market, while this candle, this short candle inside the other candle, is the first sign for reversal. When the stochastic crosses above from down upward, it could be a good moment to enter trade. You see I'm in the 1 minute chart, so I'm trading 3 to 5 minute options normally. Never trade more than 1% to 5% from your overall capital, from your overall money. So I normally trade between 50 to 75 US dollar per trade. You see a cross now, but it makes sense to wait till the next candle starts, or right before the next candle starts. This massive green candle is the next sign for an upward move. So we have the level of the stochastic, the cross here, and candles, showing us that the price is likely to move upward now. There is a good chance that the price moves upward to bounce here again. Can also move one time frame upward. Here it looks like a downward trend. So it would be possible to trade longer term options in this direction. It's now a little bit too late to enter here, but this would also be a good trade opportunity for 15 to 30 minute options, for example. When the trend move is too fast this way that you don't have impulse and reversal waves, like here. You can go one time frame deeper, and when market looks too chaotic, like here, or you may want to go one higher. If you're not sure that the reversal move is over here, it makes sense to choose a lower expiration time, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. If you're pretty sure that the trend will move, that the price will move in trend direction again, it makes sense to choose a little bit higher time frame. So if it's just a correction move, a low time frame may still end as winner. And if you're not sure that the trend move will start now, but if you are sure the trend is existent, a higher expiration time may lead to a winner. As you see, I've won this trade. Today it's Sunday and only OTC available to trade. This looks like a downtrend, but here may start a uptrend again. Overall, I would recommend to start with longer timed binary options, 15 minutes or 1 hour. For 15 minutes, I recommend the 5-minute time frame. For 1 hour, I would use a 15-minute time frame. And I recommend to not trade more than a few trades per day at the beginning. It's a good idea to choose a limit, what to lose or what to win on a day. Not as goal, but as limit to stop trading if the market moves against one. If you want to know more about binary options or forex trading, you can check out my website. In the latest description you will also find links to my Facebook pages and to other videos, as well as to my favorite broker, Profit Option. Thanks for watching this video, and till the next video.